Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to write if formula in Excel with multiple conditions. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. I will discuss two cases here to apply if formula. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. In column 1, there is student's name here, and column 2 contains scores of the students. In third column, we have to calculate the grades of the students. Look at the second table here. This is the criteria to calculate the grades of students. See, if score is greater than equal to 90, then it is considered as grade A. If score is greater than equal to 80, then it is considered as grade B. If score is greater than equal to 70, then it is considered as grade C. If score is greater than equal to 60, then it is considered as grade D. If score is greater than equal to 50, then it is considered as grade E. If score is less than 50, then it is considered as fail. To apply the formula, click on the cell and write equal if and write the formula in this way. Then press enter button. See, the grades of first student has been shown here. Simply drag it to the end of the table and grades will update automatically. Now this is the second case. This data shows the bills of some customers. Here we have to calculate the discount in total bill. Look at the criteria table here. If total bill is greater than equal to 30,000, then customer will get 10% discount. If total bill is greater than equal to 20,000, then customer will get 8% discount. If total bill is less than equal to 18,000, then customer will get 5% discount. To apply the formula, click the cell and write the formula. In this way, then press enter button. See the discounted price here. Simply drag it to the end and the discounted prices will be updated here. So that's how to write if formula in Excel with multiple conditions. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.